Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to connect your JBL Tune 520BT to an Android phone. Let's get started. So, as a first step, we would need to take our phone and then open Bluetooth settings. Here, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled. As a next step, take your headphones and find this power button. In my case, it's on the left headphone. And hold this button until this indicator will steady blink blue. So, let's do it. And now we can stop holding the button and take our phone again. So, here on the list of available devices, we would need to find the name of our headphones. You can see it right here, JBL Tune 520BT. Click on it, and then on this pop-up message, click Pair. And this is it. Now your headphones are listed as connected and you can enjoy your favorite music with your new headphones. That was it for today. Thank you for watching.